Hi everyone, today we are going to look at operations involving standard form, addition of standard form, subtraction, multiplication, division, and we are going to look at other questions involving standard form. We are to solve 13.26 times 10 to the power minus 3 with this, and we give an answer in standard form. Solution. Now, one of the laws of subtraction is when we are subtracting standard form, we must make sure that the exponents, the powers are equal, and when you look at this, you have here minus 2 and minus 3, so let us make this to be equal with this. So we can achieve that by subtracting 1 to it. So by the time you add 1 to this power, we have minus 1, and we do that. By the time you move this decimal point, you move it backward, you'll be having 1.326 times, so we adjust the exponent, 10 minus 3 plus 1, okay? So here we have 1.326 times 10 to the power minus 2. So we can replace everything here with this. So we say 1.326 times 10 to the power minus 2 minus 1.13, okay, times 10 to the power minus 2. So the power is the same now, okay? We have the same exponent, so we can subtract. So from here, I can compare this and say 1.326 minus 1.13, okay? So now I have the same exponents now, so I can pick out 1, okay? So by the time you minus this, you have 0.196 times 10 to the power minus 2, but we need to write this our answer in standard form, so I have to return this back. So I have 1.96. So by the time I move it once there, I have to adjust the exponent here by subtracting 1. We are going towards the right. So you have times 10 to the power minus 2 minus 1, that gives us minus 3. Solution: calculate 2.5 times 10 to the power 4 times 6 to the power 10 minus 9 is power minus 9, and we give an answer in standard form. Solution. So here you can easily compare this with this and say 2.5 times 6, okay, times, compare this with this, we have 10 to the power 4 times 10 to the power minus 9. So when you multiply this, 2.5 times 6, let's say you have 150, okay, so 15.0 times, when you take this, law of indices, they are the same, pick out 1, add the power, so plus minus 9 for this, so this one equals to 15 times 10 raised to the power, for this you have 4 plus minus 9, plus and minus is minus, so 4 minus 9, that is minus 5, so our final answer is, we have to write our answer in standard form. So we assume we have an invisible 0 point here, so by the time you move it here, you have 1.5, you move it once, and it's a whole number, and you move it towards the left, so you have to adjust the exponents by adding 1, because we move it. Now we have 1.5 times 10 raised to the power minus 5 plus 1, we have minus 4. Thank you. Okay, addition of standard form. Solution. So to add numbers in standard form, we must make sure that the exponents are equal. The exponents, they are equal. So this one is 3, this one is 4. So we need to do something to it to make sure that they are equal before we can carry out our addition. So this one is 10 to the power 3. So let us do something to this to make sure that we have it in 3 as well. So when you look at this, let's start from here. We have 3.648. Okay, I can write this as, bring down this here. So I have 36.48 times 10 raised to the power minus 1, because I move towards my right hand side. Okay, so by the time I do that, I now say times 10 raised to the power 4, which is this. So this one gives me 36.48 times 10, law of indices, pick out 1, plus 4. Okay, so by the time I reduce this, I have 10 to the power 3 times 36.48. So I've replaced this with this. Now I can carry out my addition. So plus 10 to the power 3 times 4.72. So deal with the whole number. I have 4.72 plus 36.48. When you add this together, you have a 12, you have 11, you have a 41.20. So 41.20 okay, times, so look at the exponents now, they are equal, take out 1, so 10 is power. So from here now, I have to write this back to standard form, and to do that, I have to bring back my 1, so that will be 4.120. So I bring it back 1, so I have to add 1 to the exponent, so that is 10 raised to power 4, or you write it as 4.12, that is 10 raised to power 4. Calculate 5.6 million divided by 8 on division. Okay, so writing this whole number in standard form, we assume we have a decimal point here. The decimal point, we move it, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 5.6 times 10. So we move the 0.6 times, so we have positive 6. The exponent will be positive because we moved, and we are dealing with the whole number, we move towards the left. So divided by 800, we assume the decimal point is here, we move it 1, 2, so we have 8 times 10 raised to power 2, so we have a positive power. So let's compare the number. We have 5.6 divided by 8, you have to divide, okay, times 10 raised to power 6 divided by 10 raised to power 2. So when we divide this, 8 in 5 is not possible, that is 0. 8 in 56 is 7, that is 0.7, times, when we look at this, we have division, we minus the power, law of indices, the same base, okay. So here we have 0.7 times 10 raised to power 4, but we are asked to put our answer in standard form, so let's write this in standard form. 0.7, we can write it as 7 times, remove this point here, so by the time we move it here towards the right, we minus 1 from the exponent, so we have 7 times 10 raised to power 4 minus 1, so here we have 7 times 10 raised to power 3. Thank you.